Hey everyone, what's up? It's Eden, and today is a very special day. Now you might be asking yourself, why is an average weekday a very special day? Actually, you might not be asking that at all, but I'll tell you why. Today is unboxing day. Guys, I have been like a kid at Christmas waiting for this to arrive. My nose has been up against the glass, and my husband can tell you I've just been so excited. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Before we begin, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video and for taking interest in my small business. I could probably just use the tape. Guys, I just have to say, I love this company. Look what they gave me. Packing peanuts. I didn't order a single one and they gave me a whole box full. I just love this company. Side note, these little packing peanuts from Mary Kay are made entirely of cornstarch. This is to help the environment. You can put these in a bathtub full of water, they'll dissolve and run right down the drain. Also, if you're in a pinch at dinner time and your gravy's a little bit runny, you can just drop one of these in a cup of cold water, mix it up a little bit, pour it in your gravy, and ta-da, you got thick gravy. Don't use anyone else's packing peanuts, because those are typically styrofoam. Your dinner guests will not be very impressed. Let's begin. So first, at the top of the box, this is a sample for Mary Kay Hydrogel eye patches. This is something fairly new. I like to throw these in the cooler or, in a fridge or something, anything that'll keep them cool. And you put them on underneath your eyes. They're really, really cute. You keep them on for about 20 minutes and they help replenish and rejuvenate your under eye area. So if you got some saggy eyes, this will really help. I really like these. Next is this. It is After Sun Replenishing Gel from Mary Kay. This is really, really great for when you've just been in the sun, hence the name. After Sun Replenishing Gel. You get the idea. Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite items. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you. This is the Microdermabrasion kit. Now, Microderm is comprised of 3 different things. Micro meaning small, derm meaning your skin layer, and abrasion meaning an abrasion. You get the idea. So microdermabrasion means your skin getting small abrasions. And you can go to a spa and pay upwards of $100 to get 1 microdermabrasion treatment. This, you can pay just a little over 50 bucks and you can have continual microdermabrasion treatments, until you run out. And you can do this when you want, how you want, depending on like how your skin is doing, stuff like that. On the inside, so this is the microdermabrasion. I really, really like it. I'm going to be doing a video on this later. And this is the pore minimizer. It's super, super light. It's not thick or heavy or anything. I really enjoy this. It's really fun to add into my skincare routine. The microdermabrasion set, folks. Get yours today. What's next? This is the oil-free eye makeup remover. I really love this. This, as you can see, has a little bit of separation. But what you do is you shake it up, you put just a little bit on one of those cotton pads, you lay it on top of your eye, and it helps to remove all that makeup. I love it. It makes it super, super easy to get all the eye makeup off. One of my favorite products. Gotta have it. Next, this. Ta-da. This is the Lash and Brow Building Serum. It's got this cool little thing to it. Look. I feel like I'm pulling something out of like a secret compartment in a spy movie or something. It's really fun. It's really fun opening this thing. This little product works wonders. You put it on your lashes and your eyebrows. It helps increase growth. It is the Lash and Brow Serum by Mary Kay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so you know how I showed you the After Sun Replenishing Gel. This is what you do beforehand. This is the sunscreen. It is SPF 50. Looks really pretty. Bright yellow, summery looking tube. Summer looks. And not many people are going to be going to the beach these days because of the virus, But if you plan on doing anything in your backyard, this is for you. And now I'm going to show you a few other things. This is really fun. This is translucent loose powder. This is really great for baking, something that you do underneath your eyes. It's to help brighten your eyes. I really, really like this. You can also put it on your makeup, for a nice finish. Super great stuff. It's like the crack cocaine for your face. Just kidding. Don't call it. Just just loose powder. I don't want to get Mary Kay in trouble. It's just loose powder. This is the Mary Kay Essential Brush Collection. I really like how it comes in this really fun zip-up case. I'm going to open it for you. All these brushes are individually wrapped. You've got a powder brush, you've got the cheek brush, an eye crease brush, and an eye smudger brush, and then one other little bitty one back here in the back. I know the name, but I can't remember it. I can't read it. I'm going to pull it out and see what it says, because I want to know. I paid for it. All over eyeshadows, and all over eyeshadow brush. Pretty comprehensive set. That was the trick. And they're all individually packaged within this package, within this package. So, you know, it's nice. Okay. Guys, and I mean literally guys, like guys. Cologne. A lot of you guys don't know this, but Mary Kay is also for men. They have a really awesome cologne set, a really awesome skincare set, which I ordered some. It's here in the box. I'm going to show you in a second. This is my favorite cologne for my husband to wear. Oh my gosh. It is so amazing. It's a MK High Intensity Sport. I'll go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see. It's got this really cool look to it. It's not extremely musky at all, and I'm the girl that doesn't really like a whole lot of musk. I prefer something that's kind of clean and fresh smelling, but also has that, you know, kind of tang to it. This. Okay, speaking of the men's skincare set, I got a whole set of it because Matt, my amazing, wonderful, absolutely sexy husband, is going to be helping me out on this endeavor. And as I'm pulling these out, I just want to say one of the main reasons that I'm unboxing all of this, it may seem like random items, but they're very specific. Something that I'm going to be doing are tutorial videos, review videos, and the main reason I'm doing that is because I want to show you guys things that I have tried or that someone close to me has tried and that we actually believe in. I'm not the kind of girl who wants to promote things that I have not tried for myself or that I don't fully believe in. And so I'd like for y'all to see the results. I'd like to give my honest opinion on things. And I think it would just be fun to have you guys join in on the whole conversation about specific products, specific skincare routines, things like that. So, Mary Kay is also for men. In the set, you have this shave foam, try saying that 10 times. Shave foam. It looks really cool. I love the sleek design of all of this. So the set comes with shave foam. It comes with advanced eye cream because men get eye bags too. It happens. This is for you men. It comes with daily facial wash and advanced facial hydrator, which is the fancy way of saying moisturizer. Mary Kay is for men too. Matt's gonna be taking the lead on that one in one of our upcoming videos. I'm kind of excited because I've never seen the Mary Kay men line in action. I think it's going to be fun. And then finally, just a few odds and ends cosmetics that I got because I personally believe in wearing your product and believing in your product by having it on. So this is the Glazed Chroma Fusion Highlighter. It is really, really pretty. I like it. Note to self. Don't showcase these open. Next is the Wineberry Chroma Fusion Blush. I'm going to just kind of hold it in there like this. Next is the Latte Chroma Fusion Contour. Now, if anyone is like me, who didn't grow up doing a whole lot of makeup until, you know, later on in life, contouring can be a little bit scary. So I want to do a video talking about contouring, how to know your face shape, things like that, and how to find the best contour shade for you. This is the Mary Kay Foundation Primer. Gonna do a whole video just on this because it is that good and that important. I love that it's not thick. I love how well it goes on, and I love how well it does its job. Definitely something to add to your bag. But again, I'm going to do a whole video on that, so y'all stay tuned in the near future. Okay. Got myself some Time Wise foundation in my own shade. Some of these other things are really, really fun. I actually had not really been trying these until lately, but they've been a big, big help. So first off, this is the Mary Kay At Play Color Correcting Stick. So, you know, you got dark circles, you've got blemishes, redness, things like that. This color correcting stick is amazing. It's a Mary Kay at Play color correcting stick. Fancy. Next, under eye corrector. Again, I'm going to do a whole video on this and how to do baking under the eye. But this is a 1 and 3 step process to do that. I really love it. It comes in a peach tone, and there's a science to that. There's a science to why it's a specific color in reducing dark circles under your eyes. It's amazing. I love it. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a consultant. I've tried it. I've used it. I put it to the test. I love it a lot. This is the Perfecting Concealer. You can get it in a couple different shades based on your skin tone, but I really like this one as well. For me, just because I'm pale as all get out, I got the Light Ivory, and it's really great. It has a really pretty applicator at the end, really soft, you know, doe foot applicator, and that's that. One other thing that I'm super pleased with is the Mary Kay waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. It's basically like you're just drawing on. I love it because I used to use like the gel kind with the pointed end, and it would goop up my eyelashes. It would get everywhere. And when I started using this, it was clean, it was precise, it was light, it stayed where it was supposed to, it didn't smudge, and it's waterproof. And your girl gets emotional being a new mom with a newborn who likes to take away my sleep sometimes, but she's totally worth it. And I get emotional. Sometimes I cry. This helps. It just stays in place. So that's the end of all of my products that are here in the box. Like I said, I'm going to be going back through with a lot of these products and doing one-on-one reviews, tutorials, answering questions and things like that. But I'm really excited about all of these opportunities. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you had fun. I hope you maybe had a few laughs. It's gonna be fun. I'm really excited. If you don't already have a Mary Kay girl and you would like to help support me in building this small business, you can find me on Eden's MK Customers. That's my Facebook page. I would love to have you join my group, and there you can get in on a lot of the exclusive things that I'm offering to my personal customers. I'm going to be posting these kinds of videos and stuff for fun on my personal page and here on these other platforms. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate your time, and hope you have a really great day. Digging in my Mary Kay box, gonna show the world what I got. Yeah.